In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in HubSpot. So whether you're managing marketing assets or just getting your bearings with HubSpot, understanding how to effectively upload files is crucial. Let's get started by accessing the File Manager, our gateway to organizing all your essential media and documents. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, take a look at the top navigation bar. You'll want to hover over or select Marketing. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, click on Files and Templates, and finally, Files. This path takes you directly to the File Manager where all your digital assets will be organized. Now, with the File Manager open, we're ready to initiate the upload process. Look towards the top right of your screen for the Upload Files button. This is the command center for adding new files to your HubSpot library. Click on it, and a window will pop up, allowing you to choose which files you want to upload. Next, it's time to select the files from your computer. Navigate through your hard drive or any storage location where you keep your media. Find the files you want to upload. Once you have selected them, simply click Open. This action will cue HubSpot to begin the upload process. For those of you who prefer a more hands-on approach, there's an alternative method available: dragging and dropping. Instead of clicking your way through the file selection, you can simply drag the files from your desktop or any folder and drop them directly into the File Manager window. This method is often quicker and allows for seamless selection and upload of multiple files in one swift motion. Once the upload is complete, your files are now hosted on HubSpot's content delivery network. This means that they're ready to be utilized throughout your HubSpot content. Whether you're embedding images and videos or providing document download links, these files can now be easily accessed and incorporated into your marketing materials. This capability enhances the dynamism and appeal of your content, helping engage your audience more effectively. I hope this walkthrough helps you feel confident and empowered to manage your digital files within HubSpot. Remember, organizing your files efficiently not only improves the ease of access, but also streamlines your workflow, making your marketing efforts more effective and professional. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to enhance your HubSpot experience, and as always, thanks for watching.